In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage your orders on DHgate by canceling any recent purchase you might have made. This guide is perfect for anyone needing to quickly reverse an order due to any last-minute changes, or simply because you've changed your mind. Understanding how to navigate through your profile and manage your orders can save you time and potential inconvenience. So let's dive into the steps. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to the official DHgate website. It's always a good idea to bookmark the site if it's somewhere you shop frequently, as this shortcut will save you time in the future. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your account. The login option is typically found on the top right-hand corner of the homepage. If you don't have an account yet, it's wise to create one before proceeding, as you'll need it to access your order details. Now that you're logged in, navigate to your profile. Your profile is like your personal hub on the site where you can manage everything related to your purchases. Once you're inside your profile section, look for an option labeled My Orders. This link is your gateway to all the orders you've placed on DHgate, neatly organized and easy to manage. After clicking on My Orders, you'll see a list of all your recent transactions. Scan through the list to find the specific order you wish to cancel. It's crucial to note that orders can usually only be canceled during a certain time frame, so if this is a recent purchase, you should act promptly to avoid any complications. Once you've identified the correct order, you'll find an option to cancel it. Typically, clicking on the order will reveal several available actions, including Cancel Order. By selecting this option, you're initiating the cancellation process. The system might prompt you with additional instructions or confirmations. Be sure to review these carefully to ensure everything is completed accurately. And there you have it. You've successfully canceled an order on DHgate. It's a simple process, isn't it? Always ensure you receive a confirmation email or message confirming your cancellation, as this is important for maintaining your records. If there are any issues or the option to cancel isn't visible, consider reaching out to DHgate's customer service for assistance. They can often provide solutions or any specific details you might need. This process highlights the importance of being proactive with your online orders. By knowing how to quickly navigate and manage your purchases, you can handle potential mishaps effectively and with confidence. Thanks for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more helpful guides like this one in the future.